Here we have another great example of Honda reliability, quality, performance, just the overall package. The Honda Civic has been a tried and tested vehicle for many years. This is a 2022 version. This particular one was just traded in. It's an LX model. It's got a lot of great features. This is the new body style, so it's the newest of the new when it comes to technology and styling. Black in color. It's got the black cloth interior. Just went through the Honda certified inspection. We checked it out from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Made sure that all the fluids, filters, brakes, tires, all the stuff that's important. Made sure it's up to Honda specifications. That way we can call it Honda certified. It's backed by a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty at any Honda dealership in the United States. This car gets amazing fuel economy. Probably the average people talk about is 40 miles to the gallon, sometimes more. Show you the interior. It's going to go through our professional detail process. They're going to clean the seats, the outside, the inside, under the hood, in the trunk, all the cracks and crevices. So it's going to be professionally detailed, ready for a new home. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan, or give us a call, 734-453-3600. This is a pretty quick mover. They don't last long. Everybody's looking for a great economical sedan that gets good fuel economy. It's going to last a long time and not give you any problems. Give us a call. Thank you.